guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So, my friends, update here on Tesla, ticker TSLA, trading on the Nasdaq, trading now at $352.56. Very predictable, and we still, I think, can see here much higher prices incoming for Tesla. So I give you here an updated chart analysis. This is of course everything based on the technicals and not financial advice. Yeah, before I start, guys, next week is Thanksgiving in the US, so there will be one bank holiday on Thursday, so keep that in mind. Next week we have just 4 trading days. Yo, guys, yeah, let's just start with the drawings. Nothing changed here in my chart, and we can see that Tesla is on the way to go back to $400. I mentioned that already here some weeks ago. Here was my video release at the 9th of October where I said I expect here a bullish reversal for Tesla. It was already confirmed here 2 times, and that's why I said here in that video that we have here a very, very good chance here to see a bullish reversal and a breakout. And I also mentioned that I'm very bullish on Tesla. You can just rewatch the videos if you want, guys, here from the 9th of October. And we can see that Tesla since then increased here 67%, which is a lot for a stock here with $1.1 trillion market capital. But this is just the beginning. You can see I also have this arrow here in my chart since a few weeks already, and in my opinion, guys, we will go now here to $400 at least for Tesla. Why? Because Tesla is a very reliable stock to trade. So if you if that looks a little bit overloaded for you, Tesla has a very, very easy readable trend channel pattern here. We have this trend channel pattern which corrected the price here from November 2021. That was the beginning of the bear market after the huge explosion bull run which we had here in 2000. Yeah, more or less from 2019. Even the pandemic came here in between, guys, but you can see even the corona pandemic fired everything up. So since then, exactly here March 2020, we had a huge bull run which lasted until November 2021, and since then, starting then, a lot of stocks started to correct, and so did Tesla. But overall, we are here in a very bullish pattern. So this trend channel here, guys, is over. So we broke clearly out here of this trend channel. So when you just focus here on the yellow line, you can see how the price always got rejected, and here we had our breakout. That was the reason why I said already here I'm very bullish on Tesla. I said that of course already before, but this was an absolute picture perfect confirmation, and since then we gapping up. Yeah, and that's why I think this is not the end. The make it or break it price level here where Tesla is can start to squeeze or can even start to build new all-time highs is this green line here, guys. $320 is something like the make it or break it price level. If you don't know my videos, if you're new to this channel here, a make it or break it price level is that usually here when you close over this line that you can see something here like a squeeze, but that doesn't mean that this is a strong support. So the market makers always try to bring the price back below this price level here. But for now, the whole market is still very, very bullish. In my opinion, it is just a matter of time until we see a huge market correction. It is possible, of course, that we just continue to have a bull run in 2025. You know, this is possible, but usually when we see what the market did and that the bottom was in here already in January 2023. So that is also for many big capital or strong market capital companies. The bottom was in here somewhere between December 22 and January 2023. And you know, when you have something like that, something like this strong bull market, I think it is possible that we see here some bigger squeezes incoming, even new all-time highs for Tesla, and then they will pull the rug, the market makers, and will try to bring the price down, same like we had here. But for now, we are still bullish here, or I am still bullish. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion here and what the chart is telling me. And we have here one absolute clear price goal for Tesla, guys, and this is $402.67. Why? Because this is an open gap which we still have. So the last open business in the chart for Tesla is $402 when the algos close this price level here, and you can see it's just 14% from the actual price. So I think this is very possible to do. Maybe the market makers fake out a little bit and stop here at maybe $400, $399, and bring the price down. But there is no doubt, guys, I have no doubt that we will close sooner or later this open gap at $402. Yeah, and then we have to check the correction, how strong the correction will be. what I do here usually on my channel, guys, I always try to predict short squeezes. So when we see the overall price action for Tesla now, as I said, I released already videos here much earlier. We traded also Tesla here in these price ranges, but we can see when Tesla now comes back to $402 and we see the bottom price here, so around here, guys, then you can see this is a 190% price increase, which is massive. But it took from April 2024, and maybe we see this price goal here in December this year, guys. What I usually do is I try to focus here on short squeeze stocks with a little bit more high risk, high reward ratio, and therefore I release here every Sunday, guys. So the brand new videos out right now. I release here my so-called hot stock videos. When you see these videos here, that means that you see tickers in those videos which have high squeeze potential. You can see here some of the member feedbacks. And yeah, as I said, I try to predict short squeezes. So that means when I release this video today, it's just out right now, these tickers here, I expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. And when I talk about the squeeze, I want to see at least a price move of 100% or more. So last week we had here two squeezes. Here one was 173% after my hot stock release on this Sunday there this week ago, and then also we had a Patreon swing trade alert which also squeezed 122%. Yeah, if you want to see those hidden short squeeze stocks, guys, then of course you can join our trading community. We're getting bigger and stronger every day, and every day new members joining in, and the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here which you get when you join in there, guys, and when you click here the info icon in the corner, you can access the Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, everybody's welcome. We have a great community there. And as I said, just click here on the info icon when you want to get access to the link. Yeah, guys, the game plan for Tesla is, for me personally here, I'm waiting for that gap close at $402. We have to see that we now have here a technical, very overbought situation. That's why I say that it's possible that Tesla is heating up a little bit more. Close this gap, everybody FOMO in who don't know how trading works, guys, and that is very dangerous. So when you have this kind of oversold RSIs, you can see how the market makers pull the rug. And the last time when we had this technical situation here, we lost here just in a matter of days. You can see how Tesla started to drop. Here was the overbought situation on the RSI, and we came back down. And you can see last time when we had this, so the technical constellation, we lost temporary minus 32%. And this is what you don't want. You don't want to buy in here at the peak and want to see your portfolio going down. So keep that in mind. The price level here, $320, sorry, is very significant. We have some open gaps here, but still above $320. So the orange fields here are open gaps to the downside. Tesla gapped up here some few times, but the thing is, guys, that the market makers will bring the price down here. So I don't think that we just see a straight line. We have the same for Bitcoin, same for Ripple, and so on. A lot of stocks and cryptocurrencies showing that right now. Don't keep that in mind, guys. When you have these kind of straight lines to the upside, there has to be a pullback, and I will of course let you know when that happens, guys. So keep that in mind. They leave us some hidden signals here in the chart, the market makers. Yeah, we had the same situation here. You can see completely overbought on the RSI here, and then boom, we started here to just come down and correct. So keep that in mind, guys. Even the market is super bullish. Yeah, we might see here much higher prices for Tesla, but keep that in mind. There is a correction incoming sooner or later. Okay, guys, that was my update here on Tesla. I hope that was helpful for you. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView. What you see here, this is the program what I use for all my trades and of course for all my videos. So the price goal for Tesla, in my opinion, is at least $402.67. When we close this gap and don't see a very strong correction, then I will show you the next price goals to the upside. Besides that, as soon as Tesla, or as long as Tesla stays above $320, it's bullish. Everything below that could become a little bit bearish. Even we have here support from the EMA lines, guys, but I think at least $270 and lower has to be retested. And then of course when we see here a bearish reversal of the market. Yeah, if you want to copy the price levels, this is here TradingView, guys. I can invite you to get that program. If you want to learn trading, if you want to understand how the algos are trading these kind of stocks here, then it's, in my opinion, absolute mandatory to have a a chart program like that. That's why I recommend TradingView, guys. If you want to get that program, you can join here my $15 discount link. When you click also here the info icon in the corner, you can get this discount link, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Okay, guys, that was my update. Don't forget to check out here the newest hot stock upload, guys, available today. And yeah, if you like this content here, if you don't want to miss any updates on Tesla or my other short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. I wish you a good start in the new week, guys. Great success with all your trades, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Tesla. Einen guten Start in die neue Woche und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.